Guys, if anyone is watching, please confirm if I'm audible. I'm live on YouTube and Facebook. If anyone is watching, please confirm in the chat if I'm audible. I am live on YouTube. If you are watching me on YouTube, please type yes if I'm audible. Chris M. Good. Thank you so much, Chris, for the confirmation. Hope my voice is clear and crystal. Darkness 8536. Good. Thank you so much. Majid Ekwal, how many fees for this session? Yes, I'm going to talk about the upcoming batches in detail because we are getting lots of messages on WhatsApp. This session is dedicated to all PM networking courses. I will talk more about OSPF plus BGP course. At the same time, we'll talk about other courses as well, about other upcoming courses. Even if you are looking for any course at PM networking, this video is for you. If you are looking for PM networking courses, then this video is for you. So okay, 19 people have joined. Now guys, whoever are watching and are the subscriber follower of PM networking, whoever are learning at PM networking, please like this live session, and just in 2 minutes I'm going to start. Please hit on like button once. Please like the video. Darkness, Majid Ekwal, Chris M, you are the member. Thank you so much, Chris, for becoming the family member of PM networking. Sarhi, requesting everyone to like the video and then we'll continue the session. First, I will talk about OSPF plus BGP course. Right, and before that guys, one most important thing, we are getting lots of messages on WhatsApp regarding the enrollment. So first of all, let me introduce you my website. Right, like for that you can open any browser, and in the browser this is my fully qualified domain name, pmnetworking.in. Love you from Nigeria. Yeah, thank you so much. Love you too, brother. And I'm able to see you are the member of PM Networking YouTube channel. So hope you are enjoying the premium videos. So here you can see my fully qualified domain name, right? Name of my website, pmnetworking.in, right? So in any browser, you will type pmnetworking.in. It will land me to my website, to the home page of my website, and even on the home page you can see one pop-up button is there where you can see all upcoming courses, like CCNA to CCIE security batch. Recently we have started it on 10th of September. CCNA to CCIE security batch has started on 10th of September. We need to update this date, but here on this pop-up you will find all upcoming courses. Okay, so this batch has started. Now next batch which is starting is OSPF plus BGP plus MP-BGP plus VPN plus MPLS. This batch is starting tomorrow 8 p.m. IST, 8 p.m. IST, Indian Standard Time. So I said to like the video, and now I am able to see 10 likes. Thank you so much everyone whoever have liked the video and joined this session. 20 people are watching, still 10 people have not liked the video. Don't know about those, no problem. So let's see this batch. OSPF plus BGP batch is starting tomorrow 15th of September. Timing is 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. IST. Sir, when we enroll one time, so every month we will be renew, or automatically it will be renew? What I didn't get you. You need to buy courses once only, right? You will have lifetime access. You don't need to buy same courses again and again at PM networking. If someone has paid for combo course, he can revise the combo course in future as well, right? He will be allowed to join any upcoming combo batch in future, right? So you need to pay once only. Payment is just to check the seriousness, right? I cannot allow everyone from the social media to join the live classes. It's not possible to manage, right? So when you are paying, that means you are serious, and when you are serious, then I am very serious to teach you. Then let's meet and take your networking skill to the next level. This is our basic fundamentals for training. I love your work and have been studying so much with your videos. Thank you so much, Linux Mini, for sharing your feedback here in the live session. Keep supporting, right? It's a humble request to you. Whenever you guys are sharing these kinds of comments, actually it's motivate me to work hard to make more videos, right? And I always try to share my real-time experience with you guys through my YouTube channel and Facebook page, right? Even I cannot upload everything on YouTube because there is restriction, right? We are not allowed to share or upload everything publicly, but in the live classes we are explaining our all real-time scenarios only. So thank you so much for sharing your feedback, brother. Okay, so this is our first upcoming batch, OSPF plus BGP, starting tomorrow, and timing is 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. IST. First of all, most of the people are asking about this course is, sir, should I enroll in this course? Guys, my answer to you, if you are planning to enroll in this course, is make sure, if you are enrolling in OSPF plus BGP course, then make sure at least you are the expert in CCNA. You are done with CCNA. If you are lacking in the CCNA, I will not recommend you to enroll in OSPF plus BGP course. You can enroll in CCNA first, or you can learn CCNA from anywhere, from any institute, from the YouTube, from the internet. That's not matter. That doesn't matter. If you are comfortable with CCNA, if you know each and every concept topics of CCNA, you are eligible to enroll in OSPF plus BGP course. OSPF plus BGP course is not for freshers, right, who are just starting their career in networking. No, it's for, actually mainly we have designed this course for networking professionals, whoever are working in the industry and felt like I stuck in my career because of my technical skill. So this course is designed to boost technical skills of working professional, networking professionals who are working in the industry and struggling in their career, because these are industry used protocol everywhere, in a small company, medium sized company, large company, service provider, ISP. In each types of network you will find these protocols. OSPF is the backbone of enterprise network, BGP is the backbone of internet, MP-BGP is the backbone of service provider network, VPN used everywhere. Whenever you have multiple sites connected over public network, you have to understand BGP, and MPLS again is the backbone of service provider network. So if I will talk about the interview, why we have designed this course, so that network engineer can crack interview easily. Most of the time interviewers are asking questions from these protocols: OSPF, BGP, MP-BGP, VPN and MPLS. I am not saying this is the course which will make you perfect or expert or champion in the networking industry. Not at all, right? Because even I will recommend you to go with CCNA plus CCNP combo course. There also you can learn these all things. But here I will go deep in these all protocols, but I will not cover the complete CCNP syllabus. This course is for specific engineers, working professionals who don't have time to learn CCNP again or CCNA and CCNP again, and want customized training. Maybe after this course he can go for SD-WAN, right? But directly if you will go after CCNA, if you will go for SD-WAN, you can't understand, because we'll use BGP there, we'll use OSPF there, you will not understand. So this course is designed for those who don't have time to learn entire CCNP and want to learn industry protocols only for working professional. Let me check your comment. My question is that when we are enrolled in the member of your channel, so every video will be accessible. Yes, every video will be accessible. When you will take the membership of the channel, every video will be accessible for you. I am certified CCNA, CCNP, N plus, A plus, Security plus, and I am a IT specialist, but I use your videos to keep myself updated and trying new things with your videos. Currently looking forward for cloud network. Great Linux Mini. It's a lot for me that you are watching my videos. Just 1 minute, guys. Yes. When people are saying that I'm the experienced one and watching your videos, right? Got job in company, big MNCs, right? It's really a lot for me. And Linux Mini, thank you so much for sharing your feedback. Okay, so hope it is clear that this course is for whom. After that, in this course, I will go very deep in each protocols like OSPF, very deep. This is not just to teach you the OSPF protocol, but this course includes my personal experience on these all protocols, my real-time scenarios which I have solved in the production as a network engineer on OSPF, BGP, MP-BGP, VPN, and MPLS. Soon I am going to show you the detailed syllabus of this course as well. So, Majid Iqbal, I am also certified CCIE, but want to update something. I really appreciate your teaching, sir. Love you from Pakistan. Thank you so much, brother, for sharing your feedback. Okay, now, so this course is not for everyone, not for CCNA candidate. This course is mainly for working professional, whoever are working in the industry and want customized training. In this course, I will go very deep in each section. Right, batch starting tomorrow, timing is 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. IST. Now I am coming on the syllabus, don't worry. The next batch which is starting at PM networking is CCNA batch, CCNA 200301, the latest one. Again, when I am saying CCNA, many people are thinking routing and switching. No sir, this is not routing. Routing switching is 40% in CCNA. 60% are the other technologies. Right, so CCNA 200301 batch is starting from September 20th. This is morning batch, timing is 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. IST. This batch is actually, this course is actually for freshers. Fresher who want to become a network engineer, who want to start their career in networking. Or working professional can also enroll in CCNA course if they feel that I need to learn CCNA again, right? I am lacking in the CCNA, because CCNA is the most important course for network engineer, guys. Until and unless you will not master CCNA, you cannot understand other technologies. And if you are the expert, if you are the champion in CCNA, you can understand all other technologies very easily. Nowadays, we have all modern courses for all modern technologies, and personally, this is my personal experience from the security batch, from the automation batch, from the data center batch. I have seen many people have enrolled in the automation, but they are lacking in the CCNA. I recommend them first to learn first CCNA, and then again you can come for automation. You have enrolled, no worry, you don't need to enroll, but you can continue Python, automation, Ansible later when you will done with CCNA. So don't do like this. Don't skip CCNA and CCNP. This is a humble request to all my subscribers, all my followers, right? All my students. If you are my subscribers, it's my responsibility, if I can teach you something, then to teach in best way. If I can guide you, then it's my responsibility to guide you. If you want to achieve what I have achieved in my life, if you are following PM networking platform, that means it's a responsibility of all PM networking team. And even if some other subscriber is struggling, and if you can help them, right, you are also following my page, and someone else is following and they are he is suffering in the industry, right, he want to become like a you. Now it's your responsibility to help them. If I am not available, if he is asking any question, you should also share your answer. Even guys, if you are the expert, if you can share your knowledge on the social media, you should also share your knowledge on the social media. Like I am teaching, you should also teach people. You can do freelancing work side by side. You don't need to quit your job. I am still a network engineer, right? If you will ask me, Praful, what's your profession? So I am a network engineer first by my profession, and teaching is my passion. Side by side, I am running a private limited company for training. I am earning more than my job from here, from the training industry. So this is a guidance, this is a suggestion, recommendation to all my followers, subscribers, that if you have achieved something significant in your life and you are getting benefit from that learning, right? Let's suppose you are expert in the CCNP, you have learned it, you have implemented, and now you are getting benefit from CCNP. Sir, it's your responsibility to teach other, because there are so many people on the planet who are looking for best CCNP training, who want to learn CCNP course properly. So find those people who want to learn CCNP and teach them. If you are on the social media is only for learning and teaching. Sir, these classes on Zoom or direct YouTube link? These classes will be conducted on Zoom or Google Meet. These are not YouTube course. Okay, so CCNA course is for fresher and the working professional who are lacking in CCNA. Because if you will skip CCNA, sir, your career will stuck in future. If you want always growing career, then don't skip CCNA and CCNP. First master it. Become the champion. Ask this question to yourself. Close your eyes, sit somewhere and ask, hey Praful, really do you know CCNA and CCNP? If yes, no problem, you can go for other technology. If no, if you have any doubt, just start learning from CCNA. It will hardly take 3 to 4 months. In 3 to 4 months, you can become champion, right? So CCNA course is for the fresher, and this is morning batch because some students are not able to manage the classes in evening. The next batch for again experienced one, whoever have completed CCNA and CCNP. Actually, this course is mainly for our CCNA plus CCNP combo students. Whoever have completed CCNA and CCNP course from us at PM Networking, we are launching Nexus plus ACI combo course for them. This Nexus plus ACI combo course is starting from September 22, right? And timing is 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. IST. This is again evening batch. Next batch is SD-WAN batch, weekend batch starting on 27th of this month, and timing is 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Currently, I am taking one SD-WAN batch, and this batch is about to finish. I am on policy, right? As soon as I will finish this batch, I will start advertising SD-WAN course as well. Okay, so it will start around 27th, right? This time is not confirmed. Maybe 1 week. We can extend 1 week hardly, but around 27 will be starting SD-WAN course. After that, we have one more combo course, Palo Alto and FortiGate firewall. As you know, these are next generation firewall, FortiGate, Palo Alto, Checkpoint, right? And in the industry, based on my experience in the networking industry, the best firewall which you should master first is Palo Alto and FortiGate, right? So again, this course is for those who have completed CCNA and CCNP, right? Whoever are champion in CCNA and CCNP. Again, this course is for our all paid student, our all CCNA plus CCNP paid student, whoever have completed CCNA and CCNP from us. You can also enroll if you have learn CCNA, CCNP from somewhere else, right? But if you are the champion in CCNA NP, if you are not in the champion in the NANP, you should not enroll in Palo Alto FortiGate, you should not enroll in SD-WAN, you should not enroll in Nexus plus ACI. If you are going to enroll in these three courses, sir, maybe after enrollment, right, you will be getting call from my side and I will be pushing you in the CCNA batch or in the combo batch, CCNA plus CCNP combo batch, which is starting from 1st of October, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. IST. So maybe I will put you in the CC combo batch or CCNA batch if you are going to enroll directly in these courses and CCNA concept is not clear to you, because CCNA and CCNP is the prerequisite for Nexus plus ACI combo, mandatory for Palo Alto plus FortiGate combo, and mandatory for SD-WAN also, right? So these are my upcoming courses. Here you can find on my website, right? There is pop-up button and here you can see all the courses. I'm looking forward to setting up my lab next year to teach hands-on networking using real-world devices and connection. I see you doing that and I really admire it with the rack. Great brother, definitely you should share your knowledge. See, as soon as you will start sharing knowledge, your technical skill will go to next level fast, right? You will get various many benefit of knowledge sharing, right? So definitely we all should share our knowledge. So it's great plan. How we can enroll these courses like OSPF and BGP. Now I am showing you how you can enroll in these courses. Done guys, CCNA to CCIE security batch has started. My first upcoming batch is OSPF plus BGP plus MP-BGP plus VPN plus MPLS. Then CCNA 200301. Then Nexus plus ACI. After that SD-WAN. Then Palo Alto and FortiGate. And after that combo CCNA plus CCNP. These are upcoming courses at PM Networking in this month. Now I've closed the pop-up button. Now you can see this is my website, right? This is the home page of website. Here you can see the services like our services, what we are offering: live training, 24/7 lab access. But lab access is not for all the courses like in CCNAs. In CCNA, lab access is not required, right? So in CCNA, we will set up lab in your system. But in SD-WAN, Palo Alto, Nexus, here you can't set up your lab, right? Even you cannot set up EVNG. Many people are not able to set up EVNG. It's technical, but we are expert in setting up EVNG in the laptop, right? So we can set up the software, all simulation software properly in your laptop if you are enrolling in CCNA, and there you will perform lab. We will be sharing lab, and some courses includes 24/7 lab access as well, like SD-WAN. Okay, so then interview preparation, practical workbook, content, complete study material, right? Lifetime access of recording. These are our services, right? You can learn more about our courses. You can see PM Networking. I had received award from Asnir Grover in 2024 for best technical trainer. So there are some achievement of PM Networking. There are so many other achievement, guys, but I am not developer. Later definitely I will add those all thing here. Okay, from here if you have any query, you can fill this form, right? And you will be receiving one call from my team, right? I have very small team, but all are dedicated, all are technical person, right? So you will be getting call from the technical person who will guide you with the enrollment. And here you can find all our popular courses like Carrier with CCNA 200301, CCNP in Core NRC, CCNA plus CCNP combo, Python automation, ASA firewall, Carrier with data center, Carrier with service provider, Carrier with VPN, complete multicasting course. And here you can browse all the courses. And here are our review section, right? We have added some of our students, place students here. And from here you can subscribe this website if you need notification. And now here is the actual Google review from our students, right? So even if you will go to Google and type PM networking and you will check the Google review, you will see how our paid student, whoever have completed the course from us, are getting benefit in their career or not, how the course was life changing for them. Even I know maybe few of you watching me here in the YouTube or Facebook live session are already my paid student, right? Have already completed NANP. So guys, whoever have completed any course from us, like let's suppose someone has enrolled in data center and they are not okay with CCNA, CCNP. First we will transfer them in CCNA, CCNP. We will not allow them to learn data center. But if anyone have completed the course from PM networking, whoever have completed, all 100% are getting exponential benefit in their career. Because our objective is, as soon as you are going to enroll in course at PM networking, we make one objective that now I need to teach this technology to him. At anyhow, doesn't matter the language, in which language I am going to teach, what lab I will ask him to configure, but our objective is to teach you the technology. Let's suppose you have enrolled in CCNA, CCNP combo. So our objective is to teach you CCNA, CCNP. At the end, after completion of course, my team member is going to ask you, hey, you had enrolled in CCNA, CCNP. Have you learned everything? If yes, if his answer is yes, he is going to call me, Praphul, you have achieved your objective. If no, Praphul, you have not achieved your objective, then again we'll ask him that, brother, if you have time, you can revise in the next batch. It is like that. At PM networking, more than 80% enrollments are coming from the reference, from the suggestion, right? Even in the live classes, in first classes, when I am asking to the student how you got to know about PM networking and why you have choose PM networking only, because so many other institutes are there. So 80% people are saying my senior has recommended you. My senior brother has suggested me to learn from PM networking, or I am your follower, I am following you for long time on YouTube or Facebook. We are not running any ad, or we are not getting any enrollment from the ads, right? Whoever are enrolling at PM networking are already family member of this family, and day by day the size of family is increasing. Now we are about to cross 1 lakh follower on YouTube. If I will talk about all social media platforms, so now PM networking is connected with more than 2 lakhs IT professionals. In just 3 years, I have reached to more than 2 lakhs networking professional globally. Guys, it's a big achievement, big success for me. Our industry, networking industry, is limited, very limited. Reaching more than 2 lakhs professional, networking professional in 3 years is really a big success. And this is the reason why finally I have decided to launch other technologies as well, like data center, automation, security, right? And now in future I will be making our students master in all modern technologies as well, right? And soon I am planning to start one playlist for cloud. I can teach you AWS, I can teach you Google Cloud, I can teach you Azure, right? I know these all technologies very well. Even I can teach you the Windows Server, I can teach you the Checkpoint Firewall, I can teach you the Catalyst SD-WAN. In last 3 years, I have made multiple playlists on channel, like for CCNA, CCNP, Palo Alto, ASA, MPLS. Nowadays, FortiGate Firewall is going on. As soon as I will finish FortiGate Firewall, I will create one playlist for ICE. I will that after ICE, I will create playlist for cloud, right? So there will be playlist on PM networking channel, YouTube channel, for all the technologies in future. I know some of my competitors are also watching me here. Don't worry, brother. I will not upload entire course on YouTube. I'm getting so many messages, guys, on the social media, sometime on WhatsApp, sometime on mail, that Praphul, if you are uploading all videos in MPLS playlist, why someone is going to buy course from any institute, even from your institute, don't upload. And even guys, MPLS playlist is not all about MPLS on YouTube. I know 80% contents are there in the playlist, but it's not all about MPLS. If I will compare my live classes for MPLS, then YouTube videos are nothing. YouTube playlist is nothing. MPLS playlist is nothing, right? So I will not teach you everything. Like earlier I had created one playlist for Palo Alto Firewall. So what happened in the Palo Alto playlist? In the Palo Alto playlist, I have uploaded all important configuration videos. I didn't complete the complete Palo Alto course, correct? Similarly, in FortiGate Firewall playlist also I am uploading all configuration video only. In the live classes, when you will watch the playlist, right, like before enrolling in the course, we are suggesting our student to first watch some videos. If you are able to understand the language, if everything is okay, if you are comfortable, if you have trust, then only you should enroll in the live class. And you should again only enroll in the live classes when you have time. The most important thing, when you have time to join live classes. If you are not sure about your timing, about your schedule, that I am going to complete it or not, maybe it will be not beneficial for you. And if the course is not beneficial for you after completion, it's my failure. Every day in my live classes, after 2-hour class, every day I am asking to my students, is there anyone who have not learned any new thing today? If yes, if anyone have not learned anything today, that means you have also wasted your 2 hours and I have also wasted my 2 hours. Every day, students are able to measure the improvement. And this way, if they will be learning new things for next 4 months, who can stop him to achieve anything in the technical industry, in the tech industry? No one can stop him to grow their career, right? And this way my students are getting benefit, are growing. In India, you will find at least one student in every company. Globally also, if I will talk about the UK, US, London, Canada, everywhere, PM networking students are working in top MNC's company. Because our students are measuring the improvement every day in their technical skill, that today I have learned some new thing or not, every day. And at the last, after completion of course, when they are comparing their technical skill before the course and after the course, all are able to see a remarkable improvement in their technical knowledge, technical skill. Many times people are saying, Praphul, I was trying to learn CCNP from long time, but it was always confusing. But you did magic. You did really magic in the class. Now I don't need to learn it again in future, because this time I have not remembered anything. This time I have understood the technology. Networking is not about learning, guys, like what is OSPF, what is BGP. No, no, no. It's all about practicing, right? It's technology, practical. Everything is practical. And only dedicated person who have interest in the networking can learn the technology. If you are not interested in the networking, to manage the network, right, to knowing what is happening behind the scene while accessing WhatsApp or sending any mail or booking cab online, if you are not interested in knowing the networks, complex network behind the scene, no one can teach you. And if you are interested, then it's not about learning, it's all about practice, right? Even if you know what is OSPF, what is BGP, how to configure OSPF, how to configure BGP, you can't crack interview. Even company is not going to hire you, because company don't need someone who know OSPF. Company don't need someone who knows BGP. Company needs someone who can understand their live network. What if OSPF design is incorrect? Because of that, CPU utilization is increasing. If CPU utilization will increase, performance will decrease. They need someone who can balance their network. They can give the best performance. That's why sometimes people are saying there is no job for fresher. There is no job for fresher. Only experienced jobs are there in the market. But that's not true. More than 50,000 jobs are there for fresher. 20,000 plus jobs are there for remote works. Remote work. You can work from your home, bedroom. 20,000 plus. But company don't want to hire fresher who cannot understand the importance of running wrong command in the live network. Why company don't want to hire fresher? Because understand, imagine a data center, real data center of Amazon or Google. Guys, one small wrong OSPF design can create loops, and loop can increase the CPU utilization, and CPU utilization can reduce the performance. If an engineer is going to run one wrong command in BGP, it can down thousands of prefixes. It can cause downtime worldwide. So fresher engineer cannot understand the importance of running one wrong command in the live network. This is the reason. It is not like because you are fresher. Even fresher can get job if you are sure, if you will make them trusted to the company that hey, even I am fresher, but I know the network optimization, I know the importance of live network. Running one wrong command, mistake in the live network means I am fresher, but I did so many projects in the EVNG. You can check my resume. I did so many real-time projects. I behave like you will behave like an engineer, network engineer, the real network engineer. Company will love to hire you. Sir, companies are struggling to find skillful engineers. Always remember one thing, the best network are built by those who never stop learning. In the tech industry, you have to keep learning. Keep learning, learning, learning. Even today, I am also learning. If you are working professional and lacking in CCNP or CCNA, CCNP, sir, you have to spare time. Doesn't matter how, but you have to spare time and you have to learn it. Then only you can grow your career, professional career. Otherwise, you will be also saying like other, there is no job in the industry, not able to find new job, not able to crack interview. But guys, trust me, this industry is never dying industry. This industry is always growing industry. No one can replace you. You will be always in demand if you are learning, if your skill is next level, right? Only one thing is required in this industry. Like champions are getting exponential benefit. Experts are getting exponential benefit. And this is the reason why companies hire talented engineers, skillful engineers. And that's why top engineers never stop learning, right? Even if I will talk about myself, today also I am learning, sir. Top engineers will be always learning. First, they will master. You can ask to any expert in the networking industry how you reach there, who is earning, let's say, more than crore per annum. You can ask him how you reach there. He will say only one thing, that I first master CCNA, CCNP. I master OSPF area design. I master redistribution, summarization. I master BGP. I master MPLS. I master VPN. And then I reached here. So all the top engineers, experts who are doing great in the industry have first master all the basic protocols, and today all are learning, updating their skill. If you are also one of them, you will be also growing. Maybe today you are not growing, but tomorrow definitely you will grow. But guys, if you are going to escape CCNA, CCNP, your career will be stuck at one specific level. Maybe today you are growing without CCNA and CCNP, but in future you can stuck somewhere. Right? I'm not saying definitely you will stuck, but you can stuck. Like you will be not able to change the job, not able to crack the interview. Right? So if you are the family member of PM networking, keep learning. In many shorts, many live classes, many webinar, I told you this. Okay, so okay, fine, this is my website and hope home page is clear. Now guys, see here, two types of courses are there: live training and recorded course. Live training and recorded course. If you are looking for any recorded course, I will not recommend you that, right? But in case if someone is not able to join the live classes, timing issue, right, so definitely they will go through recorded course only. So if you want recorded course, you will click on this, and here you will find all the recording course. Don't buy any course from the home page. Don't buy any course from the home page. Maybe some courses are not updated, right? Like CCNA can be the older CCNA, routing switching, right? So if you are looking for recording course, go to recording section. If you are looking for live course, go to live training section. Under live training section, you will find all live classes. You have already seen about the upcoming batches, how many batches are going to start in this month, and here you can find the course. Like I want to discuss OSPF plus BGP. Here is a combo course, CCNP course, SD-WAN course, and Python automation course, CCIE data center course, Palo Alto firewall course, CCIE enterprise, and here is OSPF plus BGP plus VPN plus MPLS course. So let me click on this course. Here you can see this is the course. What is the cost? Cost is 15,000 INR, right? You can convert it into dollars. For 15,000 INR into USD, it is going to cost you $169, around $169. Okay, anyone can afford it. Anyone can afford it. Like I don't want that money should stop you to enroll in any course. And I am not expecting that money should will stop anyone to enroll in the course, right? Anyone can afford it's about one-time family dinner. But guys, if you are going to learn these all protocols properly, then it can be life-changing for you. It can transform your career in the networking industry, right? So cost is 15,000, timing 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. batch starting it. Here you can check the basic details, right? Like batch is starting from 15th. Duration will be around 1 month. I cannot promise you the exact duration, but it will be around 1 to 1.5 months. Timing 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Track is Monday to Friday. This is weekdays class. We will have classes for 2 hours a day from Monday to Friday, means 10 hours per week. The total duration will be 30 to 40 hours. 40 hours minimum, 40 hours. Okay, then live dot session, industry focus lab and assignment. You can see these all things. I am not interested to why it's not going up. Okay, here it is. You can check the all details. Now about the syllabus, if I will talk about the syllabus, right, here you can see the course description, right? You can skip it. Let's come to syllabus. OSPF, open shortest path, BGP, MP-BGP, MPLS, and VPN, and then hands-on lab. And after that, troubleshooting is there, right? Real-time scenarios are there. not possible to include everything here on the website. This will not for members of this channel. No, this will not for members. For members, MPLS playlist is there on PM Networking YouTube channel. From there you can learn MPLS. For OSPF, a dedicated playlist is there. From there you can learn OSPF. And for MP-BGP, some videos are there, right? Not dedicated playlist, but some videos are there for maybe members or publicly. And for VPN, again, you can find videos for VPN as well on the channel. Yes, sir, there is money, 170 USD dollars required to enroll in this course. If you are the member of YouTube, you can learn from there as well, like MPLS playlist, and you can find OSPF playlist, and for other technologies you can find the videos, right? Playlists are not there, but you will find the videos. Now here under OSPF you will find all the topics which I will cover in OSPF. Close it, then you can open BGP section. Again you can see the BGP topics, right? These are summary topic. Again you can open this. Let me tell you the syllabus over here. Okay guys, if I will talk about the OSPF, so see, in this course even I am expecting, or this is prerequisite, that you should have CCNA level knowledge and CCNP, basic knowledge of CCNP as well. But when it will comes to OSPF, right, I will start from zero. Will start from zero. From zero. Zero means first why OSPF, right? Why OSPF means compare link state routing protocol with distance vector routing protocol, understanding the differences. There are 38 videos in MPLS which require time and no one to explain the dots. We should have, yes, so you can enroll in this course, sir, then, right? So why means understanding link state routing protocol, means why link state routing protocol, right? Why companies are using OSPF only in the enterprise network. OSPF is the backbone of enterprise network. In the enterprise network, everywhere you will find OSPF. In the service provider network also you will find OSPF as a IGP protocol. So why OSPF only when we have so many other protocols like ESGRP, BGP, ISIS? What's the difference between YouTube subscription and buying course? You can search it in Google. What is the difference between paid course, the live course, and YouTube subscription? Right? If you are learning networking, you should have at least this idea that what is YouTube subscription and the live classes. Now we'll start from the why, means from the zero, what the OSPF, then we'll move to what, and under what so many things are there, right? Under what we'll understand what is OSPF, how OSPF works, means their messages, right? Neighborship, all the possible issues in neighborship states, right? Where neighborship can stuck, why it can stuck, if neighborship is stuck in any state, right? How to verify it and how to fix it. Many of you know, like for an example, I am asking you one question from the production, right? I had faced this scenario in real time, right? In the real time network. And in my last OSPF plus BGP batch, because guys, I had started one OSPF plus BGP batch 6 months ago, around 6 months ago, 6 to 7 months. This is my second OSPF plus BGP course batch. This is second batch. In first batch also I had asked that question, and here also I am asking same question to you guys. Tell me, if two routers neighborship is stuck in loading state, what can be the reason? If neighborship is stuck in two-way state, okay, and if neighborship is in two-way, that is not always issue. Many people are thinking if neighborship is stuck in two-way, that is issue. No, sir. In broadcast network type, OSPF neighborship will be in two-way only between DR other and DR other. That is not problem. That is normal behavior of OSPF. But in case of point-to-point, if it is stuck, there can be reason. In access start state, there can be reason like MTU mismatch. Similarly, if OSPF neighborship is stuck in loading state, right, which you will face in the production only, right, and no one is going to teach you this. You cannot find video or content on YouTube, right? You can try after this session. OSPF neighborship is stuck in loading state, what can be the reason? You will not find even single video. And as I told you, it's even restriction. There is restriction for us. We cannot upload everything on YouTube. Try to understand, right? So those all scenarios, real-time scenarios from the neighborship. Then LSA, right? All the SLA, SLA 1 to LSA 1 to LSA 7. The working of each and every LSA in very deep. Router LSA, how routers are going to build router LSA, right? You will not learn it, you will understand it, right? And then you will configure, verify, test everything, so that for next time if you will face any issue in the OSPF database in the production, you will be able to fix it. How routers are going to exchange the LSAs, how LSAs looks like, how to open LSA in details, everything. How routers are going to calculate metric based on received LSAs. Every time we come with OSPF plus BGP, but this will have less now these days. Now ACI and Nexus are in use. Brother, in ACI and Nexus also we have same protocol. In SD-WAN also we have same protocol. SD-WAN is not going to replace OSPF or BGP. Technology is same, only management is different. Similarly, ACI is used to manage the Nexus device, right? And ACI is not going to replace the technology. Protocol, routing, switching, everything is as it there as well, right? So it's future proven, and every time you will be learning OSPF today also and in future also. Ashish Jha. Now, after LSA, we'll talk about how, right? Why clear, what clear. Now we'll come on how. Again we'll go deep in how, very deep. Guys, this is my way of teaching. Whenever I am teaching any topic, I first focus on these three things: why first, then what, and then how. This is my actually 4-step method, but out of 4-step method, these are the 3 first step. Why? When why is clear, understand what. When what is clear, understand how. And when these all 3 steps are clear, then T-suit, then troubleshooting. T-suit, right? This is my 4-step method of teaching networking courses to the students, right? I always use this 4-step method only: why, what, how, and T-suit. And at this level, when you are clear, we are done with all 4 steps, you will be expert in OSPF, right? You will not remember anything in mind that hey, OSPF has what protocol number, how many messages. Like, let me remember, first state is init state, two-way state, down state. No, sir. You will understand it. You don't need to remember, right? Everything is in your hand. If you are moving from A location to B location, your knowledge is also moving with you. You don't need to force to remind anything. Everything will be clear and crystal, right? It will be fit in your mind, so that next time, whether you are sitting in front of interviewer or troubleshooting the issues in the production, you will be very comfortable. And guys, after this, my experience, my personal experience on OSPF protocol, right? Multiple scenarios, I will be sharing multiple scenarios with you. Like I had working there, and that time, like here I cannot take the name of company, but in the classes I can take the name of company, like you can understand, right? So when I was working, I had faced this kind of issue, and you tell me what will be the solution, and you all the students in the classes will be able to answer that. Some of my live classes are going broadcast like live on YouTube as well, right? Sometimes we are doing live time, and you had seen, many of you had seen that my students, how students are comfortable to share the answer whenever I am asking question, because first they have learned it, right? And it will take around 7 to 8 days, 7 to 8 days, right? Every day 2 hours means around 15 hours. In 15 hours we will understand OSPF, everything about OSPF. Now you don't need to learn OSPF again in your career, but you have to practice it, right? Like practice doesn't mean we need to connect multiple router in the GNS3 and we need to configure. When you will configure MP-BGP, at that time also OSPF will comes in picture, right? Sometimes you need to create OSPF virtual link, sometimes you need to create configure OSPF over dual transport, right? Making one primary, other backup, right? Active and backup scenario. So that is what, that is practice of OSPF. Even when you are learning BGP, at that time you will configure OSPF. That is what practice. So you will be practicing OSPF in your entire career. You will never stop practicing. Now maybe you are not able to practice comfortably because few things are not clear to you, right? So it is boring. It can be boring, I can understand, but when you will learn it properly, that time you will enjoy. You will enjoy the configuration. In CCNP course, does it cover the same concept of OSPF plus BGP course, or does it go deeper into this protocol OSPF plus BGP course? Sir, in my CCNP course, I am always teaching CCIE. I am teaching till CCIE level, right? So in the CCNP in Core Plus NRC, also you are going to learn same thing. It's my habit. Even sometime when I am teaching OSPF in CCNA, I reach to CCNP level, right? I am talking about LSA 7, and after that, I realize, sometime I realize that what I am doing LSA 7 in CCNA, Praphul, it's my habit to teach you everything about OSPF. When we are learning OSPF, learn everything about OSPF. Doesn't matter it is part of CCNA, CCNP or CCIE. There will be nothing in OSPF to learn more. All will be covered. This is not CCNP level, this is till CCI level. Even in CCNP course, I am teaching till CCI level. Then we will start BGP. Now we'll compare BGP with OSPF. Why we need to use again two protocol? And in the BGP, you are going to practice OSPF a lot, because generally in the production we are using BGP with non-connected device. Like guys, if I will talk about the limitation of OSPF or EIGRP, these protocols sends their message with TTL value 1, right? Means it can work with connected device only, the device which are directly connected. If I have 3 router in series, router 1 is connected with router 2, router 2 is connected with router 3. I can't configure OSPF between router 1 and router 3. But if I will talk about the BGP, so in 90% cases, more than 90% cases, you will be configuring BGP with undirectly connected network, like between router 1 and router 3. So to configure BGP between router 1 and router 3, first there should be reachability, right? And for the reachability, you are going to again practice what? OSPF. Here you will configure OSPF. So during entire course, you will be practicing the previous topic, Guys, this course is designed very carefully. From each angles, I have checked everything properly and then I have arranged all the topics. My combo course was my first course, the most favorite course, most popular course. But nowadays, if you are going to ask me, Praphul, which one is your favorite course at PM Networking? OSPF plus BGP. I worked a lot for this particular course to arrange the syllabus, to arrange the topic in the sequence, to include all the real-time scenarios. It was not so easy. Right. So for an example, here on daughter number 1, I have one loopback 1.1.1.1, and here on daughter number 3, I have one loopback 3.3.3, and I need to configure BGP between 1.1.1 and 3.3.3. So what I will do, first I will make reachability between 1.1.1 and 3.3.3 through OSPF routing protocol. So you are practicing the previous topic. You are practicing previous topic, means practicing OSPF protocol in BGP, right? If I will talk about the BGP, before starting BGP, we'll compare OSPF and BGP together. We'll compare BGP with other protocol. Then again same thing. Why BGP? When we have so many protocols, why BGP? In why BGP section, you have to understand the scenarios, guys. OSPF is also in use, BGP is also in use, depending on scenario where you want routing. In some scenario, BGP will work well. In some scenario, OSPF will work well. In many scenario, more than 90% scenario, both protocol will work well together, right? And we will be using both the protocol. So why BGP? Then again, what BGP? Then how BGP? Under what? Again, their messages, their neighborship, best path selection in BGP, BGP all attributes, next hop, wait, origin code, preference, right? Whatever attributes we have in the BGP, you will master all the attributes. You will understand, go very deep in best path selection of BGP, because best path selection, BGP best path selection is one of the most important topic for network engineer. BGP summarization, redistribution, advanced redistribution, everything will comes under what? And then how? Again, guys, when we are talking about how, you are practicing the what? You are practicing the what? So all previous topics are connected with new topics. And then again, T-suit. T-suit of BGP, and after that my personal experience on BGP. My experience on the BGP protocol. BGP will take around 10 to 12 classes, means 20 hours. 20 hours, right? And in 20 hours, I will solve all the real-time scenario related to BGP. You will be expert in the BGP, champion in the BGP. You will be knowing everything, all the best path selection, all the messages, and you will not remember anything. You will learn it, understand it. Till here, you will have around 15 plus project. If you are facing issues to change your job, you can mention those all projects in your resume. It will help you to crack interview. It will help you to get job in new company. If you are interested in freelancing work, you can show these all projects. These all are real-time projects which we will design and configure in the simulation. We will set up the simulation. Don't worry about the lab and those all things as well. It's our responsibility, right? So in 20 days, around 20 days, we are done with OSPF and BGP. Then we will start MP-BGP. MP-BGP, and in MP-BGP, you are going to practice again OSPF plus BGP. 1 minute. Yes. So you will be practicing OSPF plus BGP, but under MP-BGP, MP-BGP is actually for service provider network, right? There are so many things like VRF, you will learn VRF, you will learn RT, you will learn RT, right? The implementation again scenarios, and we can cover it in 3 to 5 days, right? With including all real-time scenarios. After that, you will see the issues after configuring OSPF, BGP, MP-BGP. For example, I am designing one network in front of you. Let's suppose this is service provider network. So many routers are there in the service provider network, and this is one lab of the course. This is one service provider network. Let's say Airtel. Airtel. So at this moment, till in the MP-BGP, you will be knowing what is PE router, PE router. This is PE1, and I am assuming this is PE2. Till here you will be knowing about the PE router, C router in detail, right? You will be very comfortable. So in this case, my all multiple router will be directly connected with each other. Guys, for few labs, we will share lab access, right? Which is not possible in laptop. You will be accessing my lab, and there you will configure it. All internal routers are called P router, provider routers. You will be knowing, right? P router and C router, right? Here on P router, you will create one loopback 1.1.1, and here one loopback 2.2.2. First of all, you have to make reachability between 1.1.1 and 2.2.2. You will configure IGP protocol. Which IGP protocol? Which we have learned here, OSPF. What you are doing? You are practicing OSPF. Then you will configure BGP between 1.1.1 means P1 and P2. You are practicing what? BGP, right? Then here you will configure VPN for two different VRF, two different customer. Now we can connect customer network here, right? So we'll connect two customer here. Let's say customer A, customer A side 1, customer B side 1. This side again customer A side 2, customer B side 2, right? This will be basic lab. This is very basic lab. Day by day we will be increasing the complexity in our lab. Will this course cover complete content for MPLS that you have shared publicly? Means I didn't get you, Asis. Okay, so in this case, you will be configuring OSPF also, you will be configuring BGP also, and for VPN v4 prefix, till now maybe you know IPv4 route only. IPv4 route, right? In MP-BGP, you will learn VPN v4 route. VPN v4 route, right? The VRF route. And to exchange, you will learn it that my BGP, normal BGP, which we have learned here in this module, was only to exchange IPv4 prefix. Normal BGP is not compatible to share VPN v4 prefix. For that we need MP-BGP, right? So we'll implement MP-BGP here between P1 and P2, and then we'll verify it. We'll see the database everything, right? We'll go very deep in this particular scenario, and then we'll make it more complex. Like there is no any backup for P1 router. What if P1 will goes down, right? Then you will see after configuring everything, OSPF, MP-BGP and MP-BGP, BGP, right? Reachability is there, routing table have route, right? Everything is working fine, but customer sites are not able to communicate. You will see that. Why? Because these provider routers will not have route. Then you will get to know that importance of MPLS here, that why we need MPLS. Then we'll start MPLS module, and in the MPLS module, guys, there are again so many topologies, so many concepts. First, again we'll learn why MPLS, right? So answer of why is here in the topology. Ping will not work, and you will get to know that why ping is not working, because P router don't have route. Then we'll see here the needs of MPLS. Then I will teach you how MPLS is going to help in this scenario, how MPLS will forward traffic without checking routing table, right? That is label based forwarding. That will comes under Y part. Then again we'll see what means, how label work, how routers are going to exchange the labels. After that, again T-suit. Which kind of issues can occur in the service provider network and how to troubleshoot, and then my experience. After that, here you will get to know that after implementing everything, VRF, OSPF, MP-BGP, BGP, all the things, we have created one VPN here, right? So that will be the beginning of VPN. That will be MPLS L3 VPN. But this is not all about MPLS, guys. Inside MPLS, we'll see scenarios like this. See, if you remember, on the Facebook, I had shared one, a small lab. Right now I don't have access of lab through this laptop. That's why I'm showing you on my Facebook page. See this lab. These kinds of lab, we will have these kinds of lab here, and all kinds of MPLS topology and technology will be explained to you here. Here you can see. Again, we have same topology, right? Service provider network, customer has 3 sites, right? And multiple P routers are there, but there is no any route reflector, right? So in our labs, there will be route reflector, backup route reflector, right? So those types of scenario will be covered under MPLS here. And when we are done with MPLS, means we are done with the MPLS VPN as well. Then we'll start our last module, which is MPLS. VPN, right? VPN means first we'll cover the MPLS VPN, because we are already connected with MPLS, right? L2 VPN, L3 VPN, and whatever VPNs we have under L2, we have multiple types of VPN. So all types of VPN will be covered. And then we'll see if a company, because now you are able to understand that if company has multiple sites, how they can connect their all sites through MPLS clouds, and how technologies or protocols are working inside the MPLS cloud. You know this very well. If there is any issue, you can troubleshoot it, because you know all the packet flow, you know all the protocols, all the technologies over MPLS, right? But MPLS is costly. Companies using internet also, right? So if we have the internet transport here and MPLS transport here, how will create VPN over internet transport? Then we'll discuss different types of VPN like GRE VPN, IPsec VPN, right? And in detail, guys, in deep with real-time scenarios, right? Remote access VPN, SSL VPN, right, will give you all types of VPNs over MPLS cloud as well as our internet cloud. Now, after this course, you are able to understand the routing inside the company network. Inside the company network, you are able to understand the routing between the sites of our MPLS cloud. You are able to understand the technology between the sites of our internet cloud, right? This is not, if I will give you one again another example, if you are thinking, Praphul, I already know these all things, right? It's available on YouTube. You know this? Very good. Then this course is not for you. But let me ask you one question from the OSPF, right? For an example, I have one headquarter in my company, right? I'm giving you two design, and you need to tell me answer in the chat, in the comment section, right? Headquarter, both are headquarter. I am designing a OSPF network for headquarter, and in the headquarter 4 buildings are there. That's why I have 4 routers. 4 routers. At each building I have one router, or you can assume 4 departments, right? And there can be multiple scenario that can be not discussed for now. Assume that 4 routers are there. Reason anything. 4 routers here. Okay. My routing protocol is already decided that IGP protocol will be OSPF. Here guys, how I should connect the router? This can be one way to connect all the routers in headquarter, and then headquarter is further connected with another site through MPLS or internet cloud. I can connect my router like this, or here I can have one layer 2 device. Connected like this. Based on your existing knowledge, tell me which OSPF design is more stable. If you can answer to this question correctly, properly, if you are able to understand, that means this course is not for you. That means congratulations, you are already good enough, right? Definitely your career will grow. You can go with another technologies. But guys, if you are not able to understand, if you don't know which design is the more stable in case of OSPF or OSPF routing protocol, then this course is only and only for you. So here I have given you one hint to decide whether you should enroll in this course or not. Second is broadcast network. Second one, but I don't think your reason is correct because it is broadcast. DR and BDR election. So sir, DR and BDR will reduce the performance, na? Better to say, like you can say here, I need to run lots of subnet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here I need 6 subnet, here I need only 1 subnet. So this answer should be more better, right? Like based on your answer. Here I need to run single subnet. You can say here I need so many more ports on the router. Here I need only 1 ports on the routers, right? Because router ports are costly. But I am expecting something else. Okay, so guys, this is about my OSPF plus BGP course, right? And these are the main topics. I have explained the syllabus in detail. Now it's up to you. If you feel like this course can be beneficial for me, right? Even if any topic is not clear to you, even if you are going to learn one single words, then also course is beneficial for you only, right? Because you are just investing 15,000 and 1 month. If you are going to learn any one concept, new concept, any one new words, new concept in OSPF or in BGP or MP-BGP or MPLS or VPN, then also the course was beneficial for you, right? You should enroll. But if you are already okay with OSPF, BGP, MP-BGP, MPLS, VPN, you are expert in the, then there is no any logic of enrolling. No any logic, guys, right? Then if you will enroll, maybe even it will be difficult for me to teach my other students, right, who don't know, because around 10 students, more than 10 students have already enrolled in the course. Let me see. 17 students has already enrolled, right? So if someone is already expert and going to enroll in the course, maybe it will be difficult for me to teach my other students who don't know, who want to learn it from zero. So it's humble request to you that if these all topics are clear to you, then sir, this course is not for you. Only enroll in correct course, right, at PM Networking, because here my purpose in the live classes is not earning money, right? I can earn much more than the training if I will go for corporate training. Many companies are paying 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs for just 4 days, 5 days corporate training. This is my passion. Teaching is my passion. For passion I am teaching, right? At the same time team is here, and I cannot allow like everyone from the social media. So you have to pay, that is also true, but it's not just only for money. There is something else except apart from the money. My all live classes are connected with my heart. So if the course is not for you, please don't enroll. If this course is you, if you think that yes, it can be beneficial for me, must enroll and learn it, get benefit, and then suggest others. If you are working in the company and if someone is going to ask you, hey, I also want to learn OSPF BGP, then I want you to send him here at PM Networking, right? But if you already know this, then in the training you are not going to learn it. If you are not going to learn it, how it will be beneficial for me? Do you think I am launching this course for your 15,000 fee only? No, sir. I want improvement in the technical skills of those who are struggling, right? Help. I want to help. PM Networking want to help working professionals to grow their career. If they can grow their career at PM Networking, definitely they will suggest to others as well. Okay, so guys, that's all for today. Bye bye. Thank you so much everyone for joining this live session. 17 people are still watching. If anyone have not liked the video, please like the video. We'll meet again in another live session, and really it was very fantastic session by explaining the things and talking to you through chat. It was really great. Bye bye everyone. If you have not liked this video till now, please hit on like button once and say bye bye in the chat. Good night. Say good night in the comment section, please. I want to check bidirectional connectivity, like EIGRP check bidirectional connectivity with the help of null update message. Getting response from another side or not, right? So let's have a bidirectional connectivity here through chat, YouTube chat. Say bye bye or good night, anything. No, okay. For enrollment, guys, to enroll in the course, simply visit pmnetworking.in here, and here you can see buy now button, right? Under live training, I am on the OSPF+BGP page, and here I can click on buy now button. It will ask me to create one account, close it, right? Here I will fill the information and then I will register as a student. I will make payment and your enrollment is done. Okay, no one want to say good night or goodbye. But guys, it's time of dinner in India. I have to go. It's around 11 p.m. Thank you so much everyone once again.